Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a fascinating C1 level noun, blast, which means a sudden loud noise or strong gust. Think of a powerful explosion, a forceful gust of wind, or even a really loud musical performance. It's a word that conveys intensity and suddenness. Let's explore how this word is used and how you can incorporate it into your everyday vocabulary. So, a blast is essentially a sudden, forceful release of energy, whether it be sound, air, or even something more figurative. You might hear about a demolition blast, where explosives are used to bring down a building. Or you could be enjoying a musical performance and say it was a blast, meaning it was highly enjoyable and energetic. Now, let's explore some synonyms. A great synonym for blast when referring to a loud noise is explosion. For example, instead of saying there was a blast from the construction site, you could say there was an explosion from the construction site. Another synonym is outburst, which can refer to a sudden expression of emotion or energy. Imagine someone saying, "She had an outburst of anger," which conveys a similar suddenness and intensity as a blast of anger. We can also use gust as a synonym, especially when referring to wind. Instead of saying a blast of wind knocked over the chairs, we can say a gust of wind knocked over the chairs. Or you could use eruption, especially when referring to a volcanic blast. The volcanic eruption sent ash miles into the sky is similar to saying the volcanic blast sent ash miles into the sky. Finally, consider the word detonation. The detonation of the bomb was heard for miles, shares the same meaning as the blast of the bomb was heard for miles. Now, let's consider some antonyms to better understand the nuances of blast. One antonym for blast, particularly when referring to a loud noise, is silence. While a blast is characterized by a sudden, intense noise, silence is the absence of sound. For example, the silence after the concert was deafening, contrasts sharply with the experience of a loud blast of music. Another antonym is whisper. A whisper is a quiet, soft sound, the complete opposite of a blast. "He spoke in a whisper so as not to wake the baby," is a world away from the booming sound of a blast. Another antonym that works well is calm. The calm after the storm was a welcome change from the blast of wind and rain. And if we're referring to a figurative blast, like an emotional outburst, a good antonym is peace. After a blast of anger, they finally found peace. Also, tranquility can serve as an antonym. The tranquility of the forest was shattered by the sudden blast from the nearby quarry. Now, let's see how we can use blast in everyday life. You might say, "I had a blast at the party last night," meaning you had a great time. In this case, blast takes on a figurative meaning, representing an enjoyable experience. Or if you're describing a weather event, you might say, "A blast of cold air swept through the city." You could also use it to describe an explosion. The construction workers set off a controlled blast to demolish the old building. We can use phrases like a blast from the past to refer to something nostalgic, like an old song or a forgotten memory. You might hear someone say, "That song is a real blast from the past." Let's look at some more sentence examples. The rocket launched with a tremendous blast. The blast of the horn startled the pedestrians. He faced a blast of criticism after his controversial statement. She sent a blast of emails to get the project moving. The blast furnace is used to melt metal. The wind hit us with a forceful blast. The movie was a blast of action and suspense. The sudden blast of music woke me up. They felt the heat from the blast even from a distance. It was a blast working with such a talented team. So, to summarize, blast is a C1 level noun that means a sudden loud noise or strong gust. We've explored its definition, synonyms like explosion, outburst, gust, eruption and detonation, and antonyms like silence, whisper, calm, peace, and tranquility. We've also looked at how blast can be used in various contexts, from describing literal explosions to expressing enjoyment. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word blast to be informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and continue their English language learning journey. And now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word blast and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading your creative examples. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.